In last two videos, we have seen about the fundamental quantities and derived quantities, its SI units and its symbols. Today, we see now the conventions for the use of SI units. First convention for the use of SI unit is unit of every physical quantity should be represented by its symbol. We have seen the fundamental quantities and derived quantities. For example, you know the length. Its SI unit is meter. So it is represented by small n. Also you know the electric current. Its SI unit is ampere and it is represented by symbol capital A. So unit of every physical quantity should be represented by its symbol. Second convention for the use of SI unit is full name of unit always starts with full name of unit always starts with small letter even if the name is after a person. See second convention, full name of unit always starts with small letter even if the name is after a person. For example, you know the SI unit of force is Newton. So it starts like small n Newton. You know the SI unit of work, that is joule. It is represented like this, joule. So full name of unit always starts with small letter even if the name is after a person. Another example of electric current. SI unit of electric current is ampere. So written like this, AMPERE. So starting letter is the small letter. Now third convention is if unit name is after a person, its symbol is represented by capital letter. For example, SI unit of force is Newton. So written the symbol N. Then for SI unit of work is joule. So written symbol like capital J. Then SI unit of electric current is ampere. Symbol is capital A. So these units names are after a person. So its symbol is represented by capital letters. And another unit name are small letters. For example, SI unit of length is meter, so its symbol is small m. SI unit of time is second, its SI unit is small s. Fourth convention for the use of SI unit is symbols of units are not to be expressed in Euler form. For example, SI unit of force is Newton. Suppose force of 10 Newton. Written like this, 10 Newton, not 10 ns. Or write 10 n and not 10 newtons. Another example is like this. The mass of object is 5 kilogram, written like this, 5 kg, and not 5 kilograms. So symbols of units are not to be expressed in Euler form. Fifth convention for the use of SI unit is full stop and any other punctuation mark should not be written after the symbols. For example, SI unit of mass is kilogram, its symbol is kg, so write kg and not kg full stop. Another example is SI unit of force is Newton, its symbol is written like this, capital N, and not written N full stop. Sixth convention for the use of SI unit is the units of physical quantities in numerator and denominator should be written as one ratio. For example, you know the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square or m dash s raised to minus 2. So written like this and not written as meter per second divided by second. So the units of physical quantities in numerator and denominator should be written as one ratio. Then seven conventions for the use of SI unit is a prefix symbol is used before the symbol of the unit. For example, 1 ms means 1 millisecond, which is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 second. So 10 raised to minus 3 is the prefix. Another 1 mu s equal to 1 microsecond equal to 10 raised to minus 6 second. 1 ns means 1 nanosecond equal to 10 raised to minus 9 second. So prefix symbol is used before the symbol of the unit. So 10 raised to minus 3, 10 raised to minus 6 and 10 raised to minus 9. These are the prefix symbols is used before the symbol of the unit. Use of double prefixes is avoided when single prefix is available. Then 8 convention for the use of 8 conventions for the use of SI unit. Space or hyphen must be introduced while indicating the multiplication of two units. For example, SI unit of velocity is meter per second should be written as m s raised to minus 1 or m dash s raised to minus 1. So these are the conventions for the use of SI unit. Today's homework: state the conventions for the use of SI units.